welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tyreese G, and if you're new to my channel, I would like to say welcome to my channel. And if you have not already subscribed to this channel, please make sure you do so and be on the G Squad and click the bell for notification so you will know when I upload a video. In today's video, I will be doing a tutorial on the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, the Vogue palette in the ARMED&GORGEOUS one. I will not be doing a review. I will be just doing a tutorial because I know it's a lot of reviews out here and everybody have their own opinion of how they like their eyeshadow. But to me, I feel like this palette worked fine for me. I didn't have no problem. I didn't have no issues out of this palette. I also have her first palette, and I paid with my own money with these palettes, and I just wanted to get these palettes, the Vogue palettes, because I wanted to see the difference between her first palette and these palettes. And I have 3 of them. Instead of the 4th one, the Bling Balls one, I don't have that one. I just got the ARMED&GORGEOUS one, which, like I said, today I did a review. And I have the Ring the Long one and the Dark Magic one. And I will be doing a tutorial on both of these palettes. So look out for these tutorials on these 2 palettes. And like I said, I didn't really have no issues with this palette. I really like this palette. I did not have any issues. And I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. So if you want to see how I got this look, please stay tuned for the tutorial that I did in this ARMED&GORGEOUS palette. And please like and comment and subscribe to my channel. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.